Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. This is S from Lifetime Under Vlogs. So for today's video, I'll be doing another tech review, and this is gonna be an iPhone SE 2020 tech review. I will show you my quick unboxing, which I filmed way back in April because I got this phone last April pa this year. I was one of those na nag-pre-order na sobrang hype at sobrang excited sa pagdating ng iPhone SE. So basically, this is my new iPhone. What I meant is this is the first iPhone that I would ever own. So, yun, super excited ko, nag-pre-order pa ako. So, papakita ko yung unboxing na matagal ko nang na-film na hindi ko lang na-upload kasi medyo natamad na ako or nahiya na ako. Hindi ko na alam kung anong nangyari way back then. Tapos, papakita ko rin sa inyo yung mismong review ko kung ano nga bang verdict ko sa phone na ito, kung ito nga ba ay yay or nay. Tapos, lastly, papakita ko yung mga tricks na mga iPhone hacks din na pwede nyo gawin sa iPhone, hindi lang sa iPhone SE 2020, kundi kahit sa mga lumang iPhone or iPhone na mga bago, iPhone 11, XR, iPhone 10. So yun, so sana panoorin nyo.
I don't need to tell you that it's over, and I know if I come any closer, I don't need to tell you that it's over, and I know if I come any closer, this is gonna be too much for us. I don't need to tell you that it's over. You can probably see it in the way I stay, and I know if I come any closer, this is gonna be too much for us to bear.
Okay, so ayun na siya. Ito na yung box. Yung black na yung pinili ko. So yellow yung nandyan sa cover niya. Nandyan yung Apple logo. And then it says iPhone right here. Not the normal iPhone box. Although this is my first time, so I really don't know. So let's go ahead and open this up. So, ito, may mga, I think this is yung mini booklet niya na may kasamang instructions. Says in here, designed by Apple in California. And then, I'm just using my small gimbal here. So, medyo mahirap siya. Ayan. And then, nandito yung, ano niya, pin. I'm actually looking for the sticker. Ito yung sticker. Ayan. And then, anyway, lagyan na natin yan sa tabi. And then, sa box naman, ito na yung mismong iPhone. Medyo mahirap. Isang kamay lang kasi yung gamit ko. Oops, sorry. So, yan. Premium yung materials niya. And then, ito yung headset niya. iPhone headset.
Ito yung 5 watts na charger niya. May kasama siyang cable, charging cable. So, dun naman sa phone mismo. Let's just go ahead and have a look. Let's go ahead and peel the plastic already. Satisfying yung pag-peel ng plastic. Right, so there's the phone. So after 5 months of using the phone, here's what I have to say. Let's start with the reasons why I love this phone. This might convince you as to why you should buy it. First, I love the camera. This is the feature that I'll use most often. So I think the camera is very capable and it is very comparable to the more expensive newer iPhone models such as iPhone 11. And although it only has a single camera setup, which means 12 megapixel sensor on the main camera and 7 megapixel sensor on the selfie camera, as they are using the A13 Bionic chip processor, which is the fastest chip that you can get inside a phone, the photos still comes out good and decent. And also you can shoot in 4K your 4K videos at optimum of 30 frame rate per second. Second reason probably is I already mentioned it, the A13 Bionic processor. This is the same chip that powers the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max. The CPU performance is 1.4 and 2.4 times faster than that of iPhone 8 and the first generation iPhone SE respectively. So it has quite improved. And lastly, the overall design. So it looks premium, it's not made of cheap plastics, it feels and it looks expensive as it is made of aluminum and premium quality glass. Also, it is dust and IP67 water resistant, which means this phone can get wet for, well, maximum of 30 minutes. It can even be submerged in water and it should still be working. Another thing that I love on this phone is that it supports wireless charging. So also the Touch ID. So you can place put your phone over, if you have a wireless charger, put your phone on top of the wireless charger and it should be powering up already. I don't love this phone so much. First and foremost, well, it's 4.7 inch, the display. I think it has a big bezel, so it does not support night mode and it lacks Face ID. Overall, I still like this phone. I think that it is a budget phone to beat. And looking at the price point, I mean, seriously, if you are to compare it with the disparity of prices between the base 64 gigabytes iPhone SE 2020, which is at 26,000 pesos, to that of iPhone 11 base 64 gigabytes at 48,000 pesos. I mean, what more can you ask for about this phone? So, still pretty good. Still a good phone for its price. This is the part, guys, where I give my verdict. Do I recommend upgrading to iPhone SE 2020? My answer is definitely a yes, especially if you guys are upgrading for the first generation iPhone SE or from iPhone 6 or maybe from iPhone 7 or even 8. But I'd say, guys, if you're upgrading from an iPhone 10, I'd say maybe if you have the money and if you can get the iPhone 11 Pro or Pro Max, then I'd definitely go for that one because iPhone SE 2020 is a bit smaller. It has Touch ID only. So probably baka maninibago ka sa laki ng screen tapos sa Face ID. Yung mga gano'n na level na feature. Pero kung galing ka naman sa Android phone, still I think okay din na mag-iPhone kasi solid naman yung iPhone. Kahit mas mahina, sinasabi nila mas mahina yung specs ng camera and ng videos, I still find it better because I have better Android phones before. Tapos parang feeling ko mas maganda yung quality ng photos ng iPhone and videos ng iPhone. I don't know, maybe it's just me. So yun, isa na ang iPhone Natix ngayon. Yeah, so what do you guys think? Ikaw na lang hinihintay. Okay, so last part of the vlog is talking about the hacks ng iPhone SE or kahit ano pa mang iPhone yan. Siguro una kong sasabihin sa inyo kung paano malalaman na kung refurbished nga ba yung iPhone ninyo or hindi. So, what you need to do is go to settings on your phone and then you go to general, you go to about, and you'll see here model. So kapag ang model ng inyong iPhone ay nagsisimula sa letter M, ibig sabihin yun ay brand new na nabili nyo sa retail, authorized retailer outlet ng Apple or sa Apple Store mismo or say for example online, halimbawa sa JB Hi-Fi kapag dito ka sa Australia. Kapag letter N, ibig sabihin ng replacement, say for example, nagkaroon ng issue yung iPhone nyo, pinunta nyo sa Apple Store, tapos nag-ask kayo ng replacement, most likely ang model number niya is nagsisimula sa letter N. Kapag naman letter F, dun kayo maging beware kasi ibig sabihin ng refurbished. Another model number na nagsisimula is letter P. Ibig sabihin personalized. So, konti lang yung phones na ganun. So, tingnan nyo lang kung watch out lang kayo kung letter F because ibig sabihin nun refurbished yung iPhone ninyo. And then, second hack that I'm gonna show you is yung, halimbawa sa camera. Do you know that you can take videos photos on your iPhone by just using the volume button? So, say for example, yun, press ko lang yung volume button niya, and then, ayan yung photo na na-take. Another hack that I'm gonna show you is how to force close the apps. So, say for example, you wanna close an app, you just double tap the home button or the touch ID, and then you can just close the apps. What else? Another thing that I'm gonna show you is yung ayun, mga plantitas. Ito na nga mga plantitas yung pinaka gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Bilang hindi naman lahat ng halaman alam natin, hindi naman tayo lahat mga botanist or forester. So, kung gusto nyo malaman kung ano yung mga halaman nyo, gawin nyo to. Mag-download kayo ng app from the App Store. Actually, maraming app out there. Pero ang app na na-download ko is Picture This. So, itong Picture This na to, I'm just gonna continue. So, ayan, picture this. Try natin mag-identify ng halaman. Halimbawa, ito tong nasa bahay ko. So, alam mo lang yung app na mag-access ng camera and focus mo yung plant, tapos take ka ng photo. Tapos, identify niya yan. At yan, peace lily nga siya. Tapos, papakita niya yung species, yung scientific name, kung paano mo aalagaan yung halaman, poisonous pa siya o hindi. Very, very nice, very interesting. Another app another plant na identify ko sa office is yung Zanzibar gem. Try pa tayo ng isa. Halimbawa, itong halaman na to. So, picturean ko lang ulit after focusing at nalaman natin na parlor palm siya. So, very, very nice once again kasi malalaman mo kung paano siya alagaan, kung kailangan ba niya ng water o hindi, yung mga conditions to grow, mga description, interesting facts, characteristics, and symbolism. So, very nice app. So, dun sa mga plantita, download na din kayo ng mga app sa App Store. So, yun lang. Yan. Hi, what's up? So that's it for tonight's video, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys again on the next one. Good night, guys. God bless you all, and bye-bye, mama.